What if Africa's gold, cobalt, lithium, and rare earth minerals weren't just shipped away? What if they were the engine that built African industries, schools, and better living standards? What if leaders had no choice but to put Africa first because the people demanded it? What if every African demanded transparency in mining contracts? Imagine logging into a portal showing how much rare earth mineral revenue came in, and how much built schools. Nigeria pushed for oil transparency. Why not DRC's cobalt or Zimbabwe's lithium? What if Africa negotiated as one? Instead of Zambia, DRC, and Zimbabwe competing, imagine SADC demanding one fair regional price, like OPEC controls oil. We've seen Pan-African pressure work before with CFA franc reforms. Citizens across borders can demand fairness again. What if Africans stopped waiting for foreign factories and built our own? Rwanda built the Mara phone. Kenya is making electric bikes powered by lithium and rare earth minerals. When citizens buy African-made, leaders must invest locally. What if elections were about rare earth minerals? Imagine debates where the first question is, how will you use our minerals to create jobs? In Zambia, public pressure forced mining renegotiations. Why not everywhere? What if more leaders followed Botswana? They told De Beers, "We want diamond cutting and jobs inside our borders." Now Botswana is stable and prosperous. Ghana forced partnerships with locals. Zambia raised copper royalties after citizens demanded it. What if Africans built their own monitoring tools? Imagine AI dashboards tracking every mineral dollar, showing jobs and infrastructure. Startups in Kenya and Nigeria are already building transparency apps. Instead of outsiders, Africans can control the data. What if Africa's story wasn't exploitation but transformation? What if our children read how we turned rare earth minerals into prosperity? What if leaders had no choice but to be Africa first, because we demanded it? The future of Africa's minerals is really the future of Africa's people. So the question is, what if you were part of that movement?